so close, need you close your eyes, it's you and I. Let the time pass by, we don't care about the others. Let's stay dancing all night, cause I know you're my lover. Ooh, baby, I love it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this hair from
Asteria hair,
and I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like inside. So we have the hair. Is it 24 inches? 24 inches in visible lace and in a cap size small. I pick a cap size small because I have a small head, so it fits perfectly because it's also a glueless wig and I just want the lace up to, you know, rest properly like it should. We also have in here, we have a 3D eyelashes. We have this comb. I think it's a two-sided brush and comb. Then we have a HD cap. So I think it's two pieces in there. And then we have the band, the melt band. And the wig bag. I love how silky this is. This just feels so good. I just want to put it on my body. But yeah, we have this and it's adjustable, so once you store your wig in, you just draw the rope and it stays. So this lace comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached, as you can see. So let me just take this out so you can look at it properly, so we can have a better view. So this wig comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked, as you can see. I love how well arranged the hairline is. Everything just goes to the back. And it also helps me when I'm trying to store because I don't have to use my hot comb, you know, trying to get the hair out of like the front of my edges. So this is really good. So look at it, it comes pre-bleached. It matches so closely to my skin tone. So I wouldn't have to do a lot. I might just add like my foundation, or not foundation, maybe my powder to it, because it looks pretty close to my natural skin tone. It also comes with an adjustable strap
and also a pin behind and two on the side, just so your wig can stay secured.
The texture feels so soft. So I'm just going to put this on so we can style it and, you know, see what it actually looks like. So usually I would braid my hair, but today I just use my gel to slick my hair to the back, because when I don't have time to braid, like do the whole cornrows, I find out that this method works perfectly well for me, and you know, my hair is still laid back and flat like it should be. Tell me, oh my god, tell me a wig is glueless without telling me. Like, that should be the name of this wig. It's a 7x4 closure, so it goes all the way to this point. This is where the lace stops, so it's really close to like my ear point. which is good because it almost makes it feel like it's a frontal wig. You can see the lace is a little bit lighter than my actual skin tone, so all I'll probably use is my powder to, you know, make it blend properly with my skin, but I don't think I need to do a lot. This wig feels so soft, you guys. I cannot believe it. It feels so soft. So I'm thinking, should I do like a center part or I should take it to the side? Let's see what it looks like on the side. Usually I like to take my side parts to this area because like this is like my good angle. Yeah, I think I like it better on the side. What do you guys think? Do you prefer it in the middle or in the side? I think I like it on the side, so I'm just going to style it as a side part. What I'll do first is I would, because I don't like my curls too defined, but I want to see how this wig looks like when it's wet, because now it's quite dry, so it's a bit full. I'm going to add my hair mousse and see how it looks like wet. Oh my god, this is really a wear and go wig. So I'm just going to add my powder to this just so that it blends perfectly with my skin tone, and then I'm going to wet the wig out and let you guys decide which one you prefer. I don't want to add too much because I already have my makeup on, so I'm just going to dab a little. So you can see now it looks more like my actual skin. It blends better. It's hard for you to tell that this is a wig. It looks like it was, you know, sewn into my hair. I'm going to use my wax stick and my hot comb just to define the front, and then I'm going to wet the wig. I'm going to comb it out and show you guys what the full version looks like, and then I'm going to add the hair mousse to it. So this is what the full version looks like. I really like this because I kind of look like Diana Rose. But this is super cute. It's so full. If you're the type of person who likes your hair quite full, you know, you like the volume, then combing it out will be something you really like. So let's try the wet look and see which one looks better. Personally, I really don't like this. It depends on the occasion I'm going for. Now it's getting a bit hot, so I might not comb it out this full because it might make me feel a bit hotter. But the hair is so light. So yeah, let's put the hair mousse and try that. So I'm going to be using this. Normally I'll spray some water to it and then add the hair mousse, but I don't want to spray water because I don't want to dry the hair. I want to actually see what it looks like with just hair mousse, because I don't want it looking too wet, and I also, I don't have the strength to start drying the hair out. So we're going to use just the mousse and see what it actually looks like. I haven't even gone round and you can see the difference. This is with hair mousse without any water. I'm also going to add a little hair mousse on the hairline and then add my hairband to it, just so that it looks more slicked down. Right now I'm going to use a melting band just so that the hair mousse makes the lace of the wig looks more slicked, and you know, it looks well melted and blended to my skin.